Hey, it's Dr. Centeno, and a while back on LinkedIn, I proposed that we see MRIs that show a connection between the ITB and the lateral meniscus all day, every day, and that actually caused quite a stir, so I thought I'd actually follow up with this video. So as I said, we see this connection between the ITB coming down this way and the lateral meniscus going in this way on MRI all the time. And this makes all sorts of common sense, meaning that if you're going to have the meniscus attached in here, it's going to need something to tension it and pull it out that way. And the ITB is in the perfect position to do that. It's the lateral wall of the vastus lateralis muscle there. Obviously, way up top that way, it's attached into the glutes. So it's the perfect one to transfer force from the hip down through to the knee and maintain the tension of the lateral meniscus. So we actually did a cadaver dissection. This is done by Dr. Jerome this weekend. And you can see the medial meniscus over in here. And this is where the ACL would be. And you can see that this is the lateral meniscus and the ITB is out over here. So I'll show you the video here, and we're just going to loop it. You can see an obvious connection there between the two. Basically, the lateral meniscus is being pulled and pushed, and you can see the ITB moving right with it there. So clearly in this cadaver, there's a connection between the lateral meniscus and the ITB. Now, in conclusion, if this connection is as common and other cadaver specimens as appears on MRI, meaning we see it all the time on MRI, the implications for lateral compartment osteoarthritis would be significant, meaning that if you could, for instance, fix the ITB and or any problems with the ITB, you might be able to help treat lateral compartment osteoarthritis from a physical therapy standpoint. So very interesting stuff. We will dissect more cadavers and get that information out there.